Hi guys, today I will show you how to draw this Bible verse illustration inspired from the series God's Young Stewards from CCF's NxtGen Children's Ministry. Now you can visit their channel in the description below and discover more on their Sunday school lessons. Now get paper, pencil and eraser, black marker, ruler, and some colors. We are going to start. Okay, so get your ruler and we are going to place a line down here in the middle. Now we're going to start with the banner. Let's start over here, just a little bit of curve like a letter C. And we're going to do a slanting line going up. And imagine we're just drawing a rectangle. A rectangle, but just the ends are a little bit curvy. There, so let's make this letter C. There we go. Okay, just make this darker. Okay. Now next is we're going to place just like a box for our words. Later we're just gonna fill in the space with letters. Let's just place first like a box here under the banner, but a little bit smaller. Okay, so just like that, very light sketch. Down here it's going to be the gift box. So just small box here, the grounded sides. On the left we're going to draw here a circle. This is going to be for the clock. And then on the other side we are going to balance it out and draw another circle. Okay, so the middle line helps us to see if our drawing is balanced. Two circles, I try to make it balanced, and then up here just going to place some marks for the other words, the smaller words later on. Okay, so there we go. We have our rough sketch. Oh, I forgot this. Okay, we close the edges. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to place in the word. I'll start with the middle letter just to evenly distribute or evenly place the letters within the banner. So I started in the middle and I'm going to the left. T, E, then I go to the right. A, R, and D, there. So just to make sure that it fits and they're kind of aligned together. Next I will place in the first three words. Start with I, then A, M, A. So light sketch first before I turn it into block letters. I had a mistake before. If you can see that I had an initial sketch, it was too big. Okay, here, I'll make it also a little bit longer. There. Okay, so that is I am a steward. Next is off. Place here very small line. Off. Then God given. Let's try to make it fit here. Dash G-I-V. Sometimes I just put parts of the letters before I place everything just to check the spacing. Okay, there. I think it's kind of big, but let's see. Erase parts of the box. I'm using a Faber-Castell kneadable eraser so that I don't have to think of the eraser dust. Okay, I'll start with the gift box, the top lid, and add tiny ribbon, 1, 2, just 2 ovals, and the ends of the ribbon. One and two. Then add here the middle ribbon and the loop. Just again, just simple ovals. Okay, I'll just double the line here. I'll draw an inner circle for the clock. Okay, so I'm hitting the G. Maybe I need to adjust the G in a while. So I'll add here the top and then place in just dots. Boop, 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 boop. And 2 hands of the clock. Arrows, small arrows. Then I'm gonna go and sketch on the other side. So I'll draw also an inner circle, just fixing the shape here. I'll draw an inner circle. So it's kind of similar with the clock on the left, but we'll just change the design inside. For treasure, for the word treasure, I was thinking of treasure chest, but it's too big, so let me just change it, make it smaller. Okay, a little bit slimmer. Okay, there. Just here. So I thought of adding coin or treasure chest, but this one, it's better now. It makes it kind of balanced with the clock on the left. And then I'll just add here a few lines to make it look like it's a coin, but just the star in the middle. Okay, now it's hitting the G and the N, so we have to just adjust it upward. Okay, so it's okay, it's normal if we need to make certain adjustments. Our first sketches just guide us with our drawings, but if we need to adjust, it's okay. Just erase. So the reason why we have to sketch lightly is so that when we erase, it's very easy and it leaves our paper still clean. So just make it fit here. G, V, E. Okay. So there it kind of follows. It's kind of like a swoop. Now on the sides, I'll add here maybe a few leaves, and then I have to balance also on the right. Just a few. Another one here and in the middle. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll add a smaller one here. Also here. Maybe one more. Okay. Okay, so there we go. That is our sketch. Now I'm looking for a scratch paper. I'm gonna get a scratch paper. Here, place it under. Now why do we need a scratch paper? We're going to outline our drawing. And to protect the table or your desk, that extra paper is just for protection. It's like a placemat. So I'll start with the banner. So whenever you outline, try not to do it how we sketch, like this. Okay, try to make it just smooth and controlled as possible. So you have to be able to move your hand, lift it from the table so you can create the longer lines. One and close there. Yeah, I'll do the letters. Just be careful. Okay, observe that my hand on the left is pressing the paper down just so that the paper won't move or won't fold. Okay, outline. I just added these because they have chubby space. at the bottom. And last side for the leaves. Okay, so we're done outlining. Now we'll just erase our pencil marks just to make it cleaner. Now look, one hand will press down the paper, and I'm just going to go the opposite direction. Okay, just going to the right and right, and it's not going to be left going back. It's not rubbing back and forth, because it will make a crease. It will create this fold and make a crease on our paper. So what we do is we press it down and then just go one way. And we're done. Time to add some colors. You can use colored pencils to add your colors, and then here just add a little bit of design around, just some sparkle. Then the verse here, 1 Peter 4:10. Then last is you can place in time, talents, treasure. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you've learned something new and that we should spend our God-given time, talents, and treasure wisely. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye!